everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We're now going to go for a ride in our 1956 Chevy Bel Air. Two-tone with a, I'd like to say, red and beige exterior as well as the interior. Got a nice comfortable cloth bench seat here. We also have the original, I like to say original style steering wheel. As you can see, it's really fine. I mean, even for how old the vehicle really is, you can see it matches the paint that's on the dash, on the hood. Got a little bit of fuzzy dice, which also is a nice touch. We have the original radio with the also clock above the side of the glove box, I should say. We also have really good brakes with this car. I'll demonstrate for you now. Good power steering. And yes, a little bit of a good reaction. Of course, being that it's an old car, we don't want to really abuse it, but we want to just drive it and enjoy the ride. Now, as I come around the turn here, yeah, she's just a really comfortable car here. We got Skyway Classics. And you can tell that she was unmolested, judging from the way how it sits. Doesn't have no stinky or new smell to it. It's got that old-fashioned, I'd like to say, blast from the past kind of smell. It's even got her old hubcap still on her. But anyway, we're going to get her turned around and put her on the lift. Let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.